That's what Alan prepared. I just had a slime birthday party. So is this place arcade room? Will you take me to laser tag? No, let me show you. I told you I was on my broke, so whatever you get me, I'll appreciate it. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. What? You got a whole arcade? I rented a whole arcade the whole night. Oh, that's actually really good. I love you like Nintendo and Super Mario Kart. So far, it seems like Alex playing for 40 years. That's fun. You can hear all night. You have to pick a single penny. You're lying. Oh no. Why are we saying that? No, I remember. I know. How'd you win? I was honest. I have to get a bunch of chocolate things. It's now time for Alan's surprise. Sit down on your properties. Okay, but not Frank. But he has something very unexpected. Alright, keep your eyes closed. What? Alright, so I know how you love me and you'll joke around, especially when we were younger. So don't take this apart, so I'll be something more. Okay, ready? I'll take up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. This moment here when I definitely think I know what was going on in my head, but it was definitely a phase, and I like that I'm celebrating that this birthday. Well, now it's time for your birthday gift, guys. One last time. Today's stop. Okay, ready? Open your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Open. Your favorite store. I know, it's like, wait, no, stop, right, sorry. I love taxes, but first before I say that, I want to make sure tax is. It is. So, that's cute. Oh, yeah, you know me, buttergelo, you know, tax, everything. But the meal price is almost done. Okay, happy birthday to the best friend of the whole world. I just want to say thank you for putting me in my crown, for laughing at my silly joke and making me feel safe when I'm scared. Sometimes I'm safe enough, but I notice how hard you work. I sleep when I can't sleep and look early to make my day better. In my superhero, my teacher, my best friend, and my phone all in one person. Happy birthday to you! Wait, I forget. Mommy, I promise to love you without my heart forever. Happy birthday, beautiful. Love you. Oh my goodness! You should have sold out. I love you, too. Because I said all the birthdays, it's so hard for me to pick which one's the best. So I would never pick one birthday. I was like, oh, yours is so cute. You're welcome, Mom. I was going to say the best yet. I think better to share with you guys. I think for all the happy birthday wishes that you guys send me.